There's this popular platform people call Kaito. A lot of persons made money from Kaito. Yeah, but I'm not here to talk about Kaito, but a similar project called wallchain. Now, wallchain is another Web3 kind of project that allows people yap, allows other projects run a campaign on their platform. And if you help this particular project grow their Twitter account by yapping, you definitely will make money from it. So here on this particular video, I'll guide you through the whole step-by-step guide, how you can actually yap, how you can sign up, get started, and you make money from these particular platforms for absolutely free. There's no form of investments, no referral based stuff. It's just about you tweeting and making posts. At the end of the day, you're making money from it. Another advantage to signing up to this particular wallchain platform is that currently new sign up will be able to get what they call the bronze badge. This bronze badge will definitely allow users on the long run get money, get free incentives if you qualify for this badge. Now this badge is only just available to new sign up, and the time is limited, so you have between now and 15th of October to sign up to wallchain and secure your free badge. Otherwise you might literally be missing out on future opportunities. So let's get started with this tutorial ASAP. After connecting your X account, okay, this is what the interface would look like. So for those that doesn't know how to do this yapping, what it means, now as you can see, I can see different projects. We have cloth, we have ideals, AL size here, Ipcoin. All these ones, they are still active, limitless. They are still very much active. Once you scroll, you see this one, they say finished. These ones are already over. Okay, so you can't do this ones. As you can see, cloth will be ending the next 38 days, and this is the time. Idols will also be ending soon. Okay, and so on and so forth. Now this is very simple. If you want to yap concerning cloth, for instance, on X account, you just go to your X, just come here, make a post, say something about clothes, then you tag them directly with their X account, something like this. Same thing happened to idols. If you want to yap about them, make sure you tag them. You can also tag two projects under one post at the same time. It works. Click on this wallet sign here to add your wallet address, okay, your Solana and your EVM. Then for some specific projects where they will ask you to give their own wallet address, you come here and you add it. You'll always find it there, so that whenever you qualify, you'll be able to earn. Just as you have seen here on this particular video tutorial, it's that simple. Just sign up, secure your badge, connect your wallet to your wallchain account, keep yapping. Probably you can actually make money from each and every one of these projects that launch on the wallchain platform. All right, so see you on the next video, and bye for now.